James Kaufman, World News Report today, February 11th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Federal judge orders Trump administration to restore gender ideology websites. A federal judge on Tuesday ordered the Trump administration to restore the gender ideology web pages it deleted. U.S. District Judge John Bates of the United States District Court of the District of Columbia, a George W. Bush appointee, ordered Trump to restore the pages by midnight tonight. Last month, President Trump scrubbed public health websites of all things related to gender ideology. A group dubbed Doctors for America sued the Office of Personnel Management and numerous government agencies, claiming the removal could prevent doctors from helping patients. John Bates agreed with the Doctors for America and ordered the extremist ideology to be restored to the websites. Quote, defendants shall, in consultation with plaintiff, identify any other resources that DFA members rely on to provide medical care and that defendants removed or substantially modified on or after January 29, 2025 without adequate notice or reasonable explanation, and defendants shall, before February 14, 2025, restore those resources to their original versions as of January 30th, 2025. Judge John Bates wrote in his order, God bless you and yours, folks. Everything's being clawed back. Please share, subscribe, and always remember, anything's possible. Bizarro world.